At the outset, I take it as my privilege to welcome all the dignitaries who are seated here from various destinations of this historical day. I believe that this is the most perfect political situation and golden time for our Bahujun Dravida Samaj to carry forward the Kanshiram ji movement where he left it. My experience with Manevar Kanshiram, the long episode, is one of the key instruments to explore more about the great leader who succeeded in Uttar Pradesh and another 15 states of India. It is really a very commendable job that BBCI came forward to launch the long episode on my Kanshiram with my experience with Manevar Kanshiram. When Manevar Kanshiram was alive, I wished to work with him. After my graduation in 1995, in 1997, I went to Delhi to meet a person who worked along with Kanshiram, and I have decided to work along with him. But unfortunately, I was denied to meet Kanshiram. That time, everyone was busy and keen to retain their power and their posts. But I did not slow down my seeking to understand about Bahujan ideology because I grew up in the Periyar movement. But Kanshiram ideology is somewhat thicker than a Periyar ideology. Periyar movement talks about social justice, but Kanshiramji movement talks about social transformation. We people have been longing for, as our Bahujan Dravida people, have been longing for social transformation for the last 2000 years. Until Hinduism is alive, social transformation would not happen in existing society. Cultural change is to ensure human dignity. But cultural change lies in political power. Kanshiram took all our Dravidian people towards capturing the political power. Today, I have got an opportunity to preside over this historical event, which is going to share about the individual experiences with Manevar Kanshiram. You know, only one seed is capable of greening the whole earth. The single seed, yes, the single seed has much and infinite power because millions of seeds can grow from only one seed. If you have only one potential seed, it is enough to make this whole country green. Similarly, for the liberation of mankind, Lord Buddha, the great Sadguru Ravidas Maharaj, great Guru Nanak, Guru Kabir, Sri Narayana Guru, Ayya Vaikunta Swami, the lot of Mahapurush were all the only one seed. Today, their fragrancy of truth is spreading all over the world. Very pathetic, except in India. The Dravida Bahujan people have undergone suffering and misery and have been exploited in the banner of Brahminical religion is the lack of awareness. They are born in the name of culture. I give my thanks to the BBCI media team who have organized such a wonderful program. It is not only a responsibility for the BBCI, but each of us have a huge responsibility to lead the Bahujan Dravida people who are trapped in the darkness into the bright future. The root cause of the problem of the majority people is the political ignorance they have. Manavar Kanshiram is the only tool by which the political ignorance can be eradicated from the Bahujun Dravida people. Manavar Kanshiram is the only weapon and identity for the majority people's political liberation. Whoever fight for the political, socio-political emancipation for the SC, ST, OBCs and religious minority, Kanshiram is the only invitation for them. Once again, I want to repeat this to our Bahujun Dravida Samaj. Whoever fight for the socio-political emancipation for the SC, ST, OBCs and religious minorities of this country, Kanshiram is the only invitation for them. The identity of Manavar Kanshiram will unite the people who are divided in the name of caste or religion under a single banner and to fight for the political liberation. Learning only one experience is equivalent to reading hundreds of books. You know, learning only one experience. Learning only one experience is equivalent to reading hundreds of books. We can get a knowledge from Baba Sahib Ambedkar. Yes, of course, we can get a knowledge from Baba Sahib Ambedkar. But we can gain experience from when you read Manavar Kanshiram. Existing intellectuals spend their time and days just acquiring knowledge because they can get a bookish knowledge in overnight. It is a very easy job too, but experiential education is somewhat different. It is a real education. Many people are afraid to get the real experimental education. Many people are not ready to get the experience. The experience you gain will give you a tremendous courage. Yes, your experience will give you a tremendous courage. In the present world, the courageousness is the biggest commodity in the society. In the present world, the courageousness is the biggest commodity in the society. That courageousness can only be gained by testing the experience of Manavar Kanshiram. Our responsibility is to pass a courageousness of Manavar Kanshiram and his experiential education to today's generation. Then only we can put an end to the ongoing Modi's Ramraj. I urge each and every one of you to continue to do this work without any break. I am appealing to everybody to continue to do this work without any break. Along with some Brahmin support and guidance, hundreds of Mayavadi followers have destroyed Manavar Kanshiramji's writing and speeches. Moreover, his highest ideology of Bahujan was assassinated and changed into the Sarvajana ideology. But millions of Kanshiram true followers are spreading his letter and spirit of Bahujan philosophy around the nation. I have faith in my heart that very soon the political power will come into the hands of 97% of Bahujan Dravida Samaj of this country. Why I am saying this word strongly means because of the third graded and second graded and third graded Hindu shadows. You know who is the second graded Hindus? Kshatriyas are the second graded Hindus. Baniyas are the third graded Hindus. Because of their shadows, the Brahmins have danced for the last 2000 years. They have been dancing for the last 2000 years with the shadow of the Kshatriya and as well as Vaishya, second graded and third graded Hindus. Now they understand the conspiracy of Brahmins, and nowadays they are ready to extend their brotherhood feelings and support to the SC/ST OBC people of India. Very soon, the dream of Manevar Kanshiram will come true. Each of us should be ready to see and feel it. That is more important. We have to feel it. We have to move towards to feel the experiences of Kanshiram. The real tribute of Manevar Kanshiram is to capture the center, capture the parliament is the real tribute to Manevar Kanshiram. So with this, I conclude my speech. Jai Bhim, Jai Periyar, Jai Kanshiram, Jai Bahujun Dravida Party. Thank you very much.
We can create even casteless society only by becoming rulers of India.